Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Bitsniper token. Now this token is trending number 4 on Pink Sale right now. They were doing well yesterday too in the top 12 trending. They still have 5.5 days left of this pre-sale. They're already way past their soft cap. It's already a successful pre-sale. Ticker symbol is Bullet. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that. Just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So Bitsniper is a fully decentralized Chinese esports competitor developed by former Tencent and Ubisoft developers. Now, Tencent is the company that I believe made Fortnite. I don't play Fortnite, but that's, I believe, from looking at stocks in the stock market, I believe it is under Tencent Holdings, and they one of the games that they're involved with is Fortnite. So obviously that is a big company. Upcoming central exchange listings including KuCoin, Gate, BitThumb, so lots of central exchange listings in the works. Dynamic profit sharing, airdrops for holders, cross-chain interoperability, DApp connectivity, staking and liquidity mining pools, CertiK onboarding in progress to foster integrity. So CertiK is the leading crypto auditor, so that's why they're saying that. And then transparency and accountability, audit, KYC, doxed, CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko, Fast Track, and then it says check the website and Gitbook links on the top. So they have a link to their Gitbook. They have a link to their webpage, which is bitsniper.io. They also have a Twitter, Telegram, Instagram, Discord, Reddit, lots of socials. They have a full audit by Solid Proof. They have a KYC. They have the Docs badge on here. So this pre-sale, this is a Binance Smart Chain token. So they set the soft cap at 30 BNB. And they've already sold 143.49 BNB worth of tokens. So it's already a successful pre-sale. And they still have 5.5 days left to go. 18 decimal places on this token. There is a total supply of 1 billion tokens. 200 million tokens for pre-sale, 99,960,000 tokens for liquidity. Initial market cap estimate is $70,325. So if you missed this pre-sale, if you're watching this video like a week from now, you can most likely get the token soon off those central exchanges that I named. But you can also get this token shortly after the pre-sales over on PancakeSwap by funding your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Binance Smart Chain, going into the dApps, finding PancakeSwap, and then trading your BSC. For the Bullet token, using the contract address that you can find on their official webpage, bitsniper.io. You may have to set slippage if there's taxes in the tokenomics, and liquidity will be locked on PancakeSwap for 365 days. Initial market cap estimate for this project right now is $70,325. According to their token metrics pie chart, 20% of the tokens go to pre-sale, 9.9% go to liquidity, 25% goes to lock number 1, 15% lock number 2, 12% lock number 3, 5% lock number 4, 5% lock number... I guess we'll find out what these locks are for on their webpage, because all it just says is lock tokens on Pink Sale here. So they're doing very well. They're trending number 4 right now. Now, if you go to their official webpage, bitsniper.io, you can change the language. It has a link to DEX View, their pre-sale. It's got a link to their application that will be coming soon on the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Document section. They have a chart. Cool videos like pop up when you're on the web page here. So Bitsniper is a groundbreaking polyfunctional cross-domain crypto gaming platform. Developed by former experts from Tencent and Ubisoft, Bitsniper aims to redefine the gaming landscape through its innovative features and limitless earning opportunities. Powered by artificial intelligence, Bitsniper offers an unparalleled gaming experience that pushes the boundaries of what's possible in gaming. With AI-driven buyback and burn functions, the platform ensures continuous demand for tokens fueled by each transaction, while the dynamic profit-sharing function rewards holders with passive income. Loyalty-based airdrops grant exclusive benefits for active contributors to the platform, and the exchange aggregator seamlessly connects users to the limitless opportunities across multiple chains and decentralized applications. Bitsniper's AAA, action-packed, play-to-earn games, staking pools, and liquidity mining pools exponentially multiply profits, allowing investors to maximize their earnings. The platform's cutting-edge NFT marketplace revolutionizes the concept of digital asset ownership. We are committed to foster a vibrant community where individuals can join and participate. By eliminating team tokens, we emphasize a shared vision of collective success and invite investors to embrace the WAGMI mindset. To ensure, we all gonna make it, that's what WAGMI stands for, by the way. To ensure the utmost transparency and integrity, the platform undergoes a rigorous CERTIC audit. Prepare to be captivated by the limitless possibilities of Bitsniper's polyfunctional cross-domain crypto gaming platform, where thrilling 3D experiences meet the potential of significant earnings. Join Bitsniper's transformative journey and shape the future of gaming. Together, let's redefine the gaming industry and unlock new horizons of opportunity. So earnings, how will you be able to earn through the Bitsniper project? Well, various ways will allow you to generate income, investing, holding, or playing. Check out the shortcuts below, and they have shortcuts for the game experience. They also have a roadmap on here. So phase 1 is going to be conceptualization, the idea and beta test completed for the project Bitsniper. Team building, art style definition, game style, visual style, game mechanics, description, a Sarah GPT-4 upgrade. Phase 2 is going to be software design, software development, unit testing, pre-alpha testing, UX charts, customized design, metagame design, 3D models, 3D animations, prototypes, UI design, website launch, gameplay teaser, white paper V2, LP locked and ownership renounced, comply with KYC and AML regulations. Phase 3, private sale, website launch V2, Unreal Engine game development and level design, pre-sale, NFT Bitsniper series auction drop, CERTIC audit, pre-alpha teaser, and then we got Pancake Swap. Gate listing is first, it says, CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap. Okay, this is an insanely long roadmap. It goes all the way up until 2027. So, I mean, they're going to get more central exchange listings. Eventually, they're going to have their own NFT marketplace, merchandise, implement burn tax on transactions. Lots of different NFTs are going to come out. And then just the game's going to become better. They're going to have death matches, mini games, expanding the ecosystem. You can upgrade the NFTs, all sorts of cool stuff. You can check this all out at bitsniper-io.getbook.io is where you can find their full white paper there. Now, do they have taxes? Let's just see if there is taxes here. So token distributions on here, 20% pre-sale, 15% central exchange listings, 15% mini games and platform development, 25% in-game economy, 10% initial decentralized exchange liquidity, and 15% staking and liquidity mining pools. But it doesn't say anything about taxes, so you probably won't have to change slippage. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.